To add a favicon to your Shopify store, start by understanding what a favicon is. A favicon is a small icon that appears in the browser's address bar, bookmark list, and tabs, representing your website. First, you need to create a favicon image. The recommended size is 16 by 16 pixels, and it should be in a square format. You can use a design tool like Canva or Adobe Illustrator to create your favicon. Save the image as a PNG, ICO, or GIF file. Once you have your favicon image, log into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the online store section and click on Themes. Click on the three dots next to your current theme and select Edit Code. In the Edit Code section, click on the Assets folder. Click on the Add a New Asset button and select your favicon image from your computer. Name the image favicon and click Upload Asset. After uploading your favicon image, you need to add it to your theme's layout. Click on the Layout, Liquid file in the Layouts folder. Add the following code to the head section of the file. Link rel equals icon, type equals image PNG, href equals favicon.png, asset underscore URL. If you want to add a favicon for Apple devices, you need to add an additional line of code. Add the following code below the previous line. Link rel equals Apple Touch icon, type equals image PNG, href equals favicon.png, asset underscore URL. Finally, click on the Save button to save your changes. Go back to your Shopify store and refresh the page to see your new favicon in action. Make sure to test your favicon on different browsers and devices to ensure it appears correctly. By following these steps, you can add a favicon to your Shopify store and give it a professional look. Remember to keep your favicon simple and recognizable, as it will represent your brand in the browser's address bar and bookmark list.